Hello everyone. Good morning everyone. Children, today's topic is table because each standard and each topic means that multiplication, division. We are going to solve multiplication and division. There is important table. So, let's start, students. Today we are going to write table. Learn by heart and say with me. Okay, students? Let's see. Start table. First of all, we are going to write table of 2. Say with me, students. Let us start. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. Then 2 10s are 20. Okay. See this, all of you learn by heart the tables. So, students, are you ready? Table of 3 means that 3 times table. Let's see. Start. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. Okay. See, these 3 10s are 30. Okay, students. Let's table of 4. Say with me. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. And 4 10s are 40. Okay. See, next will be table of 5. Start this. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. Then last 5 10s are 50. Okay. See, next will be 6. Say with me. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5 जा 30, 6 6 जा 36, 6 7 जा 42, 6 8 जा 48, 6 9 जा 54, 6 10 जा 60. Okay. Now next will be 7. Let's start, students. 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14, 7 3 जा 21, 7 4 जा 28, 7 5 जा 35, 7 6 जा 42, 7 7 जा 49, 7 8 जा 56, 7 9 जा 63, 7 10 जा 70. Okay. Then see, students, let's see here table of 8. 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 8 3 जा 24, 8 4 जा 32, 8 5 जा 40, 8 6 जा 48, 8 7 जा 56, 8 8 जा 64, 8 9 जा 72, 8 10 जा 80. Okay. See, I hope you all are learn by heart the table from 2 to 10. Okay. Then also revise, remember this table always because it's very important. So let's next 9. 9 1 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18, 9 3 जा 27, 9 4 जा 36, 9 5 जा 45, 9 6 जा 54, 9 7 जा 63, 9 8 जा 72, 9 9 जा 81, 9 10 जा 90. Then see last one. You like it? Say 10 1 जा 10, 10 2 जा 20, 10 3 जा 30, 10 4 जा 40, 10 5 जा 50, 10 6 जा 60, 10 7 जा 70, 10 8 जा 80, 10 9 जा 90, 10 10 जा 100. Okay. Then see, students. Say again one time. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, 2 4 जा 8, 2 5 जा 10, 2 6 जा 12, 2 7 जा 14, 2 8 जा 16, 2 9 जा 18, 2 10 जा 20, 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 3 5 जा 15, 3 6 जा 18, 3 7 जा 21, 3 8 जा 24, 3 9 जा 27, 3 10 जा 30, 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 4 4 जा 16, 4 5 जा 20, 4 6 जा 24, 4 7 जा 28, 4 8 जा 32, 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. Next, 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. Next will be 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. Okay. Next will be table of 8. Okay. See this. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. Next will be 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90. And last 10. 10 1s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 10 3s are 30. 10 4s are 40. 10 5s are 50. 10 6s are 60. 10 7s are 70. 10 8s are 80. 10 9s are 90. 10 10s are 100. Students, children, look at this table. And you know that, observe this table, students. And let's see that what happened this. See this, you know that square numbers. You know that square numbers, students. Here is the 2 and here is the 4. You know square number. How it is that square number? Means that 2 square. For example, see these, students. Let's see square number. Look at this here. Students, see here. Square. Square number means 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Look at this. Here is this is a 4. See, 2 square 4. Then 3 square. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9. Where it is? Look at this. 9. Okay. Then see 4 square. 4 multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16. Look at this. Here is the 16. Then 5 square. 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. Okay. Where it is? See this. Here is 25. Then 6. 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 6s are 36. Let's see. Look at this. Observe this table. See, this is a square number. See, then 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. See, here it is 49. Okay. Next will be 8 square. 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 8 8 za 64. Look at this. Where it is? Look this. 8 8 za 64. Then see 9. 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to 9 9 za 81. Look this 81. And see this last one is, see which one? 10. 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to, we get 100. Then where it is 100? See this, here it is 100. Look at this. These are the square numbers. Observe this from 2 to 10. That square means 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. This is a very important. See this? These are the square numbers. All of you look at this, and that all square number we have to learn by heart and write in your notebook also. Let's see students, next see this table from see 11 to 20. Start with table 11 to 20. Okay, first of all of you learn. See which table? All of you know that 11 table. Then see, say with me. 11 1 za 11, 11 2 za 22, 11 3 za 33, 11 4 za 44, 11 5 za 55, 11 6 za 66, 11 7 za 77, 11 8 za 88, 11 9 za 99, 11 10 za 110. It's very easy table. So all of you, I hope that table learn. Okay, already learned. Then also revise, remember this table. Next will be 12. See this? 12 1 za 12, 12 2 za 24, 12 3 za 36, 12 4 za 48, 12 5 za 60, 12 7 za 7, 12 6 za 72, 12 7 za 84, 12 8 za 96, 12 9 za 108, 12 10 za 120. Okay, see this also very simple. Okay students, let's see, start. Next will be the 13. See this, say with me. 13 1 za 13, 13 2 za 26, 13 3 za 39, 13 4 za 52, 13 5 za 65, 13 6 za 78, 13 7 za 91, 13 8 za 104, 13 9 za 117, 13 10 za 130. Okay, now next see this students, 14. 14 1 za 14, 14 2 za 28, 14 3 za 42, 14 4 za 56, 14 5 za 70, 14 6 za 84, 14 7 za 98, 14 8 za 112, 14 9 za 126, 14 10 za 140. Okay, see this table from 11 to 20. Then see Next will be 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 75. 15 sixes are 90. 15 sevens are 105. 15 eights are 120. 15 nines are 135. 15 tens are 150. Okay, see, this is the very simple. Okay, students, see, let's learn by heart table. Okay, now next 16. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. 16 sixes are 96. 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 120. 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160. Okay. Interesting table. Learn by heart, all of you. Okay. See this. Next will be 17. 17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 85. 17 sixes are 102. 17 sevens are 119. 17 eights are 136. 17 nines are 153. 17 tens are 170. Next, see this. Next, 18. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 72. 18 fives are 90. 18 sixes are 108. 18 sevens are 126. 18 eights are 144. 18 nines are 162. 18 tens are 180. See, next 19. Let's write 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95. 19 sixes are 114. 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 152. 19 nines are 171. 19 tens are 190. Then see last, it's very like it. 20. 20 ones are 20. 20 twos are 40. 20 threes are 60. 20 fours are 80. 20 fives are 100. 26 are 120. 27s are 140. 28s are 160. 29s are 180. 20 tens are, see, 200. Okay, students, that table we have write in your notebook and learn by heart. See, say again one time. 11 to 20. Say with me. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. 11 sixes are 66. 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 88. 11 9s are 99. 11 10s are 110. 12 1s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. 12 4s are 48. 12 5s are 60. 12 6s are 72. 12 7s are 84. 12 8s are 96. 12 9s are 108. 12 10s are 120. Next, 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 sixes are 78. 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 117. 13 tens are 130. Next, 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140. Next, 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 75. 15 sixes are 90. 15 sevens are 105. 15 eights are 120. 15 nines are 135. 15 tens are 150. Okay. Next, 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. 16 sixes are 96. 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160. 17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 32. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 85. 17 sixes are 102. 17 sevens are 119. 17 eights are 136. 17 nines are 153. 17 tens are 170. Next, 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 72. 18 fives are 90. 18 sixes are 108. 18 sevens are 126. 18 eights are 144. 18 nines are 162. 18 tens are 180. Next, 19. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95. 19 sixes are 114. 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 152. 19 nines are 171. 19 tens are 190. Next, 20 ones are 20. 20 twos are 40. 20 threes are 60. 20 fours are 80. 20 fives are 100. 26 are 120. 27 are 140. 20 eights are 160. 29s are 180. 20 tens are 200. Okay, students, that's very important. So all of you see this, learn by heart that all tables from 2 to 20. Write in your notebook. It's very important table. So learn by heart. Then you solving easily multiplication and division. So you are going to write these all tables every day in your notebook. Write day and date and write in your notebook. See, every day tables from 2 to 20. Okay, students, see this. Today's topic is table from 2 to 20. All of you learn by heart stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Yes, enjoy with online classes. Okay, students. Thank you, students.